The essential watch of the last few decades is the dive watch. What I've put together here is a vintage-inspired diver with a T-stamped broad arrow dial. Also, a ghost bezel insert, which I've done by submerging the insert in bleach. It may be hard to believe at this point, but the insert was originally blue. I've matched the color of the hands to the dial, but decided to go with a plain white second hand, sweeping across that dial. The contrast of colors just makes for a beautiful modern piece with plenty of vintage inspiration. The case construction is solid stainless steel. On the back, you have a screw-down case back. A 120 click rotating bezel has a tight feel. Also, you have a screw-down crown. Inside, it's all powered by a 2813 automatic movement. The plexiglass has a nice dome and curves at the edges. I've decided to put this on an old Tiger Concepts bracelet. It's sturdy and adds heft to the watch. At 40 millimeters, its essential size is suitable for a modern dive watch. On a tan NATO strap, the watch takes on a more rugged appearance, ready to go along with you for any challenge. It's not only a joy to put such a great piece together, but also one to wear proudly. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed this piece I put together. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.